From age 6 to 9, this is primary school age. You need to talk to them about respect for others' body. You need to let them know that they should have respect for other person's body. It's good to let them know, yes, they are in primary school at this age. They need to know some certain things about this. Explain some basics on where baby come from, how people give birth, where baby come from, and all that. And again, start conversation about private parts and their purpose. Start to tell them about private parts and their purpose. Start little conversation about them. Don't go deeper on that yet, but you can just start some basics conversation about that. And again, talk about inappropriate behavior from others. When somebody is behaving anyhow, when somebody is behaving inappropriately, tell them, let them understand some behavior that's inappropriate, and again, how to report those behavior. Maybe you see your elder ones or your younger ones, even your class mates in some inappropriate behaviors. Let them understand some appropriate behaviors, some behaviors that are not normal, that are not okay. Teach them some behavior that are not okay, and then how to report that kind of behavior. Yes, that kind of behavior, how to report. So let them understand that at this age 6 to 9. Yes, make them understand.